Isalin natin sa English. Ano ang pangalan mo? What is your name? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Gaano na katagal kayo magkakilala? How long have you known each other? Paano mo ginawa yan? How do you do that? Bakit mo ginawa yun? Why did you do that? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? When is your birthday? Paano mo sasabihin yan sa English? How do you say that in English? Thank you for watching. Follow for more.